I think a lot of us has these skills that we really don't think is valuable. But let me tell you, it is. I've been paid quite a lot of money to set up a website. If this was a customer of mine, he is reliant on me. If I didn't fix it, then he wouldn't have a website. I could have charged him money for this because it's a service. It's value that you provide. And if you have one skill, one thing that you are good at, that you know, and that you know better than the average person because you have a passion in it, then you can guide other people. You can help other people. You can be a service provider. And what you need to be a service provider? You need a phone. And that's it. See, I think people overestimate how hard it is to start online. And that saddens me a lot. Because we have all of these skills. We have all of these technologies. We can learn whatever we want, whenever we want. Yet we don't use that capability. We're human. We have a brain. We can use it. Times have changed. Listen to me, times have changed. If you don't think that you can work online, then that is why you're not working online, because you don't think that you can. If you don't have the belief in yourself that you can do something that so many other people have done before you. There is so many people that this has worked for. There is 17-year-olds in Arkansas that makes $20,000 a month. I'm not making this about money. This is about freedom. This is about people sitting inside their apartments all over the world thinking that they have no chance of doing anything on their own. They have to wait for the government to bail them out. They have to wait for food to be handed to them by others. They have to do all of these things that they can't do themselves because they think they can't. They don't realize the potential that we have in us. Instead of using Facebook as a place where you just check up on your friends and see what they're doing, what about setting up an account on udemy.com and take some courses? $10, $20 for information that you can use to be free of the government? I mean, why are we so lazy? That is what it comes down to. I'm talking to people about this all the time, and the excuses I get is horrible to listen to. No, I can't because I don't know how to use that. Then learn. Google has been around for a long time by now. I mean, yeah, it is hard in the beginning, but it doesn't have to be. Do you know what a coach is? What a coach does is show you the way. That means that if that coach has spent 10 years, which is my case, to try to figure out a way to attain freedom online, he has learned a lot during those 10 years, and he has probably systemized some shit, and he has probably got some resources that you can just get in a download, go through step by step, listed it up like a recipe for a cake, and then do it yourself. You know why 90% of people fail? It's because they don't apply. They don't take action. They don't do it. They are sitting there waiting for something to bail them out. They're sitting there to wait for clearer skies. But why? Waiting for all this situation to blow over is not gonna change anything if you don't change from within. Like, if you don't learn something or evolve, your life is in a loop. We have to keep on growing. Change is the only constant.